ahead and get started here. Hello and welcome to salesflower.com's tutorial webinar series. My name is Kyle. I am the social media specialist here at salesflower.com, and I'm going to be going over our 1 for 5 feature. After this webinar, you should be able to easily navigate one of our most useful features that we do offer. Before we begin, I just want to go over a couple of things about our company. Salesflower.com is based in Omaha, Nebraska. We are one of 3 top data providers in the US, and we compile all the data ourselves to ensure you're getting the most up-to-date information available. Alright, so we're going to start here on the main homepage. So make sure you're logged into your Salesflower account and on the main page. And to begin, we're going to go down here to the 1 for 5 feature box. It says give me 1 customer name and I will give you 5 prospects. Go ahead and click on the green box that says enter a customer, and this brings you to the page where you'll enter all the information about a specific customer you're using. Choose your best customer and go over which factors benefit your sales the most. Could be either the number of employees, type of business, age of business, or anything else. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to enter information for a building supply company here in Omaha. You don't have to fill in all the fields, so I'm just going to put name of the business and Omaha, and then submit customer name. All right, and this brings you to a page where you can click on the customer that you entered. That's going to be this one right here, the Builder Supply Company on South 72nd. So that's the one that we want to make into 5 new leads. So go ahead and hit select customer. All right, and this brings you then to the page with the 5 similar businesses. So Alright, so from here we can select each one, view their details, and even save them into our CRM to set up appointments, reminders, and to just reach out to them. Close that. So here we have MHC systems. We click on that. We see that the type of business is repair shops. Accurate Tool and Die is going to be repair shops. Yeah, so all of the leads here fall under the same type of business, which is repair shops and related services. And as you see, when you do click on the business, you can go to their website, have the contact information, an email, the phone number, address, see their employee size, their sales volume, their credit rating, credit capacity, and then here in this box is where you can add a note or a follow-up. You can set the follow-up here. So I'm going to do one, for example, Paul, and set the follow-up for, it lets me. Okay, that just added the note. I'm going to delete that. Okay. All right, well, and there you have it. It's really that simple. Now that I've shown you how to use our 1 for 5 feature, you should be able to navigate it yourself easily. It's a good way to build your list of prospects to hopefully turn into customers. All right, and that'll wrap it up for today. So thank you so much for attending. I hope you found this webinar helpful. For any additional information, feel free to give our customer service a call. They can be reached at 855-575-0101. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. You can also visit our website, salesflower.com, to live chat with any of our sales or customer service representatives.